Next problem in the projections of straight lines. So it is one of the miscellaneous problem, very important for external examination. A 100 mm long line PQ is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP and 45 degrees to the VP. Its midpoint is 35 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. Instead of giving end points, so in this problem he given midpoint. By using this data, we have to find out the projections. So coming to the data, true length, that is 100 mm. Next, angle inclination to HP, he given 30 degrees. Angle inclination to VP, he given 45 degrees. And midpoint above HP he given 35 mm. So in front of VP he given 50 mm. Okay. So first of all, draw reference line XY. So instead of giving end points, in this problem he given midpoints. Okay. So midpoints above HP, how much he given? 35 mm. So take 35 mm. Here, that means here to here, this is 35 mm. Now in front of VP he given 50 mm. So here to here, this is 50 mm. So this midpoint front view, that's why M dash. So top view, that's why this is M. So here draw reference lines. Here one reference line, here one reference line. Now, so line 100 mm, it is making an angle 30 degrees with HP, that means above the line. So half of the length, that means here he given 100 mm, so 50 mm you have to take here, remaining 50 mm you have to take here. Why? Because he given midpoint 35 mm. Now here this point as a center, so 30 degrees angle inclination, this is 30 degrees angle inclination. Here to here 50 mm, just extend more 50 mm. So like this way. Okay, so this is the true length 100 mm. So here draw locus line like this, here one and here one. So same procedure below also, that means angle inclination to VP he given 45 degrees. Now this point as a center, so this is the 45 degrees angle inclination. Here 50 mm, here 50 mm. So like this way you have to take. So here also take a locus line like this. So this is the initial step. So this is the true length 100 mm. So this length also true length 100 mm. So this is a 30 degrees angle inclination. So this is the 45 degrees angle inclination. So midpoint, so from here to here 35 mm. So here to here 50 mm. So one thing is confirmed that from this true length to we can find out this compressed top view. So from this true length to we can find out the compressed front view. Okay. So just extend a locus lines like this. Now take this true length, from this true length project downwards up to this midpoint. From this true length project up to this midpoint. So now M center, this distance as a radius, M center, this distance as a radius, draw arc. This arc touches the locus line somewhere. this arc touches the locus line somewhere. Same, whatever you taken the radius, with this radius, this M point as a center. So from here to cut one more arc. This arc touches this locus point somewhere. By joining these two, you will get compressed top view. So this top view is going to pass through the midpoint M. So this is the PQ, final top view. So this is the P1, Q1. So this is the P2, Q2. So this is the final top view we got from the true length of the front view. Same procedure, from this true length to we can find out this compressed view also. So from this true length, project vertically up to this midpoint. Now M dash center, this distance, with compass draw an arc. This arc touches here. So whatever you taken with the same radius, now the center here, draw one more arc. This arc also touches the locus line somewhere here, like this. If you join these two here and here, so if you join these two, you will get final front view. This is a P dash, this is Q dash. So this is a P1 dash, this is Q1 dash, this is P2 dash, this is Q2 dash. So like this way you will get a final front view and a final top view by using midpoints 35 mm above HP, 50 mm in front of VP. One thing is confirmed that this final front view and final top view we have to get in a single straight line. That means if you draw as per the dimensions accurately, so you will get these two lines in a single straight line. So ends. Then only, so whatever you draw on that projections correct. If you got these two endpoints in a single straight line, so then only that is correct. So this is the final front view and final top view of a straight line PQ 100 mm long. So this is the vertical plane VP, so this is the horizontal plane HP. Finally this is the front view, this is the top view of a straight line PQ 100 mm length.